All right, so beyond complaining about our past grades, let's try number 4 and 6.3. So what are we supposed to do with this one?
Graph it.
I'm supposed to graph h of 3x if h of x is 2 to the x, right? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so what does 2 to the x look like?
Exponential or power? It's power. Is that no? It is exponential.
It is exponential. Yeah, so that looks like this-ish, right? What do I know this thing goes through? Like, give me some points. 2. Where? Where does it go through 2? Okay, so I'm trying to draw h, right?
Yeah.
So this should be h of x is 2 to the x.
So it goes from 0, 1.
So it goes through the point here, 0, comma 1, right? Because when I put 0 in, I get 2 to the 0 is 1. Check. And where does it go through 2? Gabe?
1,
1 in there.
Yeah, good. If you put 1 in there, you get 2 out, right? So 1 over should give you 2 out. Okay. Now if I'm going to do h of 3x, right? What should that look like? Should be kind of steeper, right? Because we're doing what with the graph? Is that a... Which one of these is it?
horizontal compression.
Yeah, this is multiplication before the rule, right? So this should result in horizontal compression by a factor of 3. So I know that this point, right, at 1, comma 2 is going to get moved to where on my new picture?
2/3.
So 1/8.
Close.
Negative.
So when I compress like this, right, I'm compressing by a factor of 3. Is that going to change the y's?
No.
No, it's just going to alter the x's
1/3.
by multiplying by a third, right? So my new point's going to be here at 1/3, comma 2.
See, I was thinking the 2 is the
And
X for some reason.
This guy's going to stay there. You guys see that? Why is 1 comma or 0 comma 1 staying at 0 comma 1?
So about 1/3 is 0.
Perfect, because 0 times a third is 0. Cool. And then what's this thing look like? Yeah, it's still exponential growth, right? So it should look like this, give or take.
What if you stretched it vertically by 3? Would it look the same?
No.
Similar?
Let's figure out the vertical stretch though. We can figure that one out. So my new function, right, h of 3x is 2 to the 3x, right? You guys with me on that? And then this plays nicely into today when we're going to talk about exponential functions. So, do you guys give me an exponent rule that might be useful here?
Log
Bring it back down.
Nah, don't do that.
Wait, what's the? Can you repeat what you want to do again?
I want an exponent rule that's going to help me simplify this thing.
Oh, 2 to the 3rd times x, or 2 to the x.
You guys see that?
Oh,
Right? We're multiplying the powers.
Yeah.
So I could think about that as 2 cubed to the x power. Right? Which is what? 8 to the x, right? You guys see that? So I'm not seeing the vertical stretch here, but I am seeing a change of base. You guys see that? It's not quite a vertical stretch, but I could know that it goes through the point, not 1 comma 2, but yeah, 1 comma 8 should be up here someplace. You guys see that? Cool. Questions, things? All right.
On your test, when you have if you have a problem like this, do we have to write out all the points like that, or do you, or would you just want us to show that it was like it was a compression of horizontally or vertically? Like
I would like maybe 1 or 2 points just to peg things down.
okay.
But yeah, if you want to say, like, if you want to tell me black to red, compress in X by 3 or something. That helps me understand what you did to get the new picture. You guys cool with that?